Good morning, good afternoon, wherever in the world you are. It's morning here. It's around 11 a.m. here, and that is the time that we were supposed to start this live. I don't know, this feels like deja vu to me all over again. I don't know how many of you joined me the other day. It feels like, we're repeating the same thing. We're trying to go live with Chintu Bhosle. Last time it couldn't happen. But this time, let's hope we can have a good conversation with Chintu Bhosle. I see many of you have started joining, so let me just quickly go ahead and invite Chintu, and then we'll begin with a round of introduction and then get into the topic for today. Fingers crossed. Hi, Tanvi. Thank you so much. Hi.
Hello!
Finally,
Finally!
yay! This already feels like a success, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It is a massive success to finally be able to connect. And maybe it was meant to happen today because last time I didn't have my guitar since I was
Oh,
traveling.
good
And
it didn't happen last time, no?
here we go.
Yippee! Oh, lovely. So lovely to see you.
You're looking
I was
so
just telling
nice
everyone.
and bright and cheerful and chirpy. What is the secret behind the brightness? Is it the
अभी
weather?
यहाँ पे secret कैसे ना? We'll talk offline. It's just the London light is very good and that's why I chosen this angle. इस पे मेरे face में light अच्छी आती है.
Hi,
तो
hi, hi,
इसलिए
hi,
मैं
hi.
bright bright
Light
लगती
from
हूँ.
within, light from outside. It's just like goggles, goggles, goggles.
Oh my. So
I've got
finally, even
I've got
people are.
one little bulb put over here trying to catch some light from there. I've got some light on top. घर पे बैठा हूँ क्या यार
Oh,
तुम लोग
कोई बात नहीं
लंदन में
आपको
हम
जरूरत.
मुंबई में.
आपका ऑरा ही इतना है, आपको क्या जरूरत है बताओ. हमें जरूरत है इस सब लाइट की.
अरे बाप रे बाप बात किया. The brightness is also coming from you. Let us put it that way.
No. So good to have you, Chintu. Finally, let me just begin my formal introduction. I know you now because I've been stalking your profile. I've been reading about you all throughout on internet. So मुझे तो आपके बारे में सब कुछ पता है. But let me introduce you formally to my audience here. So guys, this is Mr. Chintu Bhosle. मतलब एक ऐसा होता ना कि एडजेक्टिव्स कम हो जाते हैं. ही इज अ प्रेजेंटर, ही इज अ म्यूजिशियन, ही इज एन एडुकेटर. ही इज सो मच कि मेरे ना लास्ट टाइम भी पेजेस कम हो गए थे. प्रिंट आउट है मेरे पास आपके इंट्रोडक्शन के. क्या चिंटू.
वो ही होता है ना लाइफ में. इतने ही गालीज होते हैं उससे ज्यादा होते नहीं है. तो ऑल दो एडजेक्टिव कम ही हो जाते हैं. ये एक मतलब ये एक वो इतना इंसान है क्या और इतना है.
नहीं नॉट एट ऑल. बल्कि पता है लास्ट टाइम आई इवन सैंग अ लाइन जो कि मतलब मुझे डर लग रहा था लाइव में से आधे लोग गायब हो जाएंगे. बट आई वांटेड टू ट्राई इट कि मेरी नींद खो गई है मेरा चैन. So guys, he is the one. He is a member of the boys of band of boys. See, I'm fumbling in front of you now. But
That is
then
okay. That is the boys of band, of boys band, band boys of. कुछ भी चलेगा.
सब
As long
चलता
as
है
it's
ना.
band and
As
boys
long
and
as it's
off.
music, as long as it's you, सब चलता है. So क्यों ना आपका इंट्रोडक्शन शुरू करें with a little, आपके मुंह से आपका गाना सुन के.
Since you had started singing that song, the beauty about being a musician is that you can do a song. अपना जो गाना जो है मेरी नींद is a very peppy, very fun song, and it's and the biggest compliment I got for that song was when my then girlfriend and now wife had gone to the market and somebody tried to pataw her and he looked at her and said मेरी नींद उड़ गई है. And
Oh my God! Did you just get frozen? Nightmare for me.
no, so she was. I was like, you should have gone and kissed him because he would go and try and pataw every girl using that song, and then the song would become more popular.
बहुत
But
पॉपुलर है. So guys, join him wherever you are. You can sway to his songs, but unmute नहीं हो सकते आप लोग. But wherever you are, just join him in the song. So
so before
please
I
go
start
ahead.
the song, there's a Nehali, Satish. They're all saying hi and hello, guys. So nice to see you guys here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a version of Megan because Aisha is looking so beautiful, so bright, and she started off the mood by singing the song. So we won't sing Meri Neen in the peppy way, which is Meri Neen ud gayi hai mera chain. We can do a love version
खो
for this
गया.
beautiful girl in front of us who is holding this the screen right now. It goes like this. मेरी नींद उड़ गई है मेरा चैन खो गया है तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान ये क्या हो गया है. मेरी नींद उड़ गई है मेरा चैन खो गया है तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान ये क्या हो गया है. ओ यारा आजा मेरी बाहों में आ,
Wow.
ओ यारा आजा मेरी बाहों में आ, मेरी नींद उड़ गई है, मेरा चैन खो गया है, तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान क्या हो गया है, ओ
Woo!
शाम.
Amazing. This is amazing. You know, मेरा मतलब अपने लिए तो ये सपना जा चुका है, but as a parent, you know, मेरा सपना है कभी अर्जुन ऐसे करे. You know, the mood which a musician can make, nobody else can do that. So, you know, coming to the topic for today, with that happy note is, you know, with this whole pandemic situation, all of us, our parents, are finding it really difficult to, you know, engage them productively. Screen time has gone up, you know, but honestly, मैं और अनूप अभी इससे पहले यही बात कर रहे हैं, can we all imagine having this pandemic situation without screen time? So I think screen time is definitely very necessary, but limiting it, coming from, you know, I know about you now that you are yourself a parent and a very involved parent, I would say, right? And you are a senior parent than I am at this point, and some
Yes,
of my followers
I am very involved, but yeah, but my kids are not happy that I'm so involved because they keep kicking me out and saying, "Oh, leave us alone, go to your ये school कब शुरू होगा?" My mother and father are all.
Oh, I'm sure. No, I get it. But then with the whole situation, you know, screen time itna बढ़ गया है ना, don't you think? And that is the topic, guys, for our today's live with Chintu. Other than obviously singing and fun chit chat, वो तो चलती रहेगी. But I honestly want to hear your opinion on this. कि in today's time, you know, when screen time has gone up, how are your kids managing? How are you, you know, probably maintaining that fun time along with learning time? And then how are you doing this entire thing, Chintu? Let us know.
See, exactly like you're saying, it's no rocket science because we are all really striving to hit that perfect balance. And what we actually realize is, I mean, especially with me being a musician, with me being an educator, with me having children, is that see, the kids are going to like magnets now. Ah, screen. They just get attracted to screen. There's nothing you can do about it. My 9-year-old, that's the younger one who's now in the 4th grade. You know, I think he's grown like 300%. By now, he knows what to press, what to do. कौन सा meeting में teacher को बोलता है कि बाप रे यार, no, miss, you're doing it wrong. You have to mute this here, you have to do that there. So they have grown exponentially thanks to screens and screen time and using the digital media from an education standpoint. But what I've realized is that, you know, if they have to use screen, why not make it why not combine an online offline kind of methodology that actually helps, you know? So especially for music, right, if they have to, we all know school के लिए तो screen होना ही है, there is no escaping that, and a lot of parents have asked what after school, all the other classes that they need to do. So I'm just discounting the screen time of school because that's a given. You have to breathe oxygen,
that
you have to blink your eye, वो तो होना ही है. So there's nothing we can do about that. But do we give them more screen time posts? You know, how much can they go out? As parents, we are very careful about, you know, who you're playing with, especially in today's time. Earlier, it was much more free or go and do what you wanted to. But right now, so we are balancing outside time, balancing meeting groups of friends and saying, screen karo fir. But karna hai to what is beautiful is, you know, if you're using things like a guitar or a keyboard or vocals and you're actually using screen time to do that, you probably do around, let's say, half an hour of screen time to learn the music, and then you're doing another 40 minutes of screen time practicing your stuff.
Practice,
so
which is very true.
And an online combination.
No, that's a very valid point that you've made, Chintu. You know, that offline, online thing, no, that's a very valid point, and I hope my viewers who are hearing, and I'm also going to save this IGTV for others to see it even later. So that is really important. And you know, as I don't know how many of you know, Chintu has designed the entire curriculum for Furtado School of Music itself. So who better than having you to, you know, we also trying to introduce Arjun to music now, being here in London. अच्छा पता नहीं मुझे, मैं लंदन आए हुए 3 साल तो हो गए हैं, बट जो मजा, यू नो, इंडियन म्यूजिक में मुझे आता है, मुझे ओल्ड फैशन कह लो या कुछ भी कह लो.
I will tell you, in fact, Isha, this is something I tell teachers और Western teachers को मैं सिखाता हूँ, Indian teachers को of course सिखाता हूँ यानी कि how to teach. I mean, everybody has the knowledge, but the knowledge to a student is a different art. You know, because everyone
True.
says music is a very fun subject. Music करना है क्योंकि सबको rockstar बनना है. Yeah, I'm not saying become a profession, but keep music close to your life. But when you get to teaching music, they make it very boring. और सब लोग मतलब most students leave in 5-6 months क्योंकि एक नया language सीखना है, नया notations पढ़ना है. It's like reading hieroglyphs or it's like reading Japanese text, which is like, oh God, I have to learn a new language. So there is a method to get it across out there. And I tell these teachers, I say, you know,
Yeah.
music is beautiful. Western music is beautiful, but the difference, like we just pointed out between Indian and Western is, Western में बोलते हैं कि this is the pentatonic major scale. और टा 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 ये notes होते हैं. But Indian में, you won't say the pentatonic major scale. We'll say this is Rag Bhupali या Rag Deskar. And that Rag is not just about the notes, it's about the feeling of the notes. It's about Rag Bhupali is something that you will sing in the evening. कभी वो सुबह गाएगा नहीं. You know, Rag Deskar is something you, and the same notes, but that is something you sing in the morning. And we talk about emotion behind the music. Whereas in the Western thing, you learn it as a scientific, mathematical thing, and of course the emotions come out when you compose later.
बिल्कुल,
So what you probably feel are the emotions.
मुझे ना एक और बात लगती है, I was just reading somewhere, I'm interrupting you here, कि ना ये जो pronunciation भी है एक बच्चे की when he is young, तो ये जो हिंदी के जो सारे गामा और उसके आगे जो राग जाते हैं और वो सब जाते हैं, उससे मुझे लगता है कहीं ना pronunciation भी clear होती है, थोड़ी मतलब ज़्यादा towards development of that vocal music आता है Indian music में. मैं biased हो सकती हूँ, I don't know if any of my followers are from London or anything, but then I honestly feel so कि जो मजा है जो, and यहाँ पे अगर आप chat में भी देखो कि my husband no Anup, he's just joined the chat. Okay. He has his own fan following, तो कुछ लोग उसको ही hello hello कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे हम दोनों को छोड़ के.
I can see. All the girls are saying hi to Anup. Yes. हाँ,
मतलब ये हाँ, hello Anup sir, मुझे भी hi बोल दो, हम दोनों भी आए. But I'll tell you what I was saying. Anup is such a big ghazal fan and music fan. तो अभी क्या हुआ, हमने guitar order किया. We thought maybe, you know, when I got associated with Furtado School of Music, then we started Anup, और मेरा सपना था कि अर्जुन music सीखे. तो Anup कहता है मेरा भी सपना है कि अर्जुन जब सीखेगा ना, तो even he wants to learn guitar. अब दोनों को आता, दोनों को नहीं है.
No, but Isha, sorry I'm interrupting you, but that is the correct thing to do. There, Anup is saying hi Anup, because you know what? The perfect combination is for a parent and a child to learn together. And I tell you the healthy competition that builds with that.
I'm sure.
The child teaches the parents, or they have more fun doing that, because हम तो बूढ़े लोग हैं, तो we're doing a scale of, और एक mistake हो जाता है, then the child is like, no dad, what are you doing, you know? And sometimes मैं purposely mistake करता हूँ, even when I teach children. You make a mistake purposely because that tells you they're listening. That is also a technique. But more importantly, they get very happy to correct you, and they're ahead of the game. And then as a parent and child, you can jam together. How much more fun, how much more quality time you can spend with each other.
मैं रोक रही थी when Anup was taking the guitar in his hand. I said, please leave his guitar. Arjun was getting very annoyed. I said, you please let him learn. Your age is gone. So abhi I'll change this thing on it.
No. So
let both of them.
You're correct. You're correct that when your son is practicing now, tab you take Anuj, lock him in the bathroom and don't let him come out, because let us उनको करने दो. जब वो बेचारा सो जाएगा ना, then your husband can pick up the guitar and spend lots of time.
लड़ाई होती है literally कि गिटार, और वो अर्जुन को इतना बुरा लगता है कि उसके गिटार पे टैप टैप करता है, अनूप ऐसे थोड़ा मस्ती में कि ऐसे फ्लो में आ गई. He says, please don't do that to my guitar, I'm very possessive. So ठीक है. But then maybe, you know, the classes that we are planning, I'll just mention to my audience also here that we are trying to get Arjun started on his guitar lessons, and with Furtado School of Music only. And from tomorrow, you guys will see my stories also on it. तो तब मैं अनूप को सुनने दूंगी, बट प्रैक्टिस के टाइम दोनों को साथ नहीं आने दूंगी. एंड आई थिंक ऑन दिस नोट एक और गाना हो जाए चिंटू.
अरे sorry, I was just giving you beautiful background music. That's what I
नहीं, we would love to.
Okay, so since we're talking about you, Anuj, your family, your kids, this is a song that I actually written called Coming Home.
Wow,
and
would
the
love
song
to
is all
hear.
about that place in your life where you are the most comfortable, the most loved, and you feel the most relaxed. So we all have our space where we it could be a person, it could be a country, it could be an animal, right? So this song is written, and I've written it in 5 languages. So we'll see which from your audiences are
Wow.
from understand those languages. Okay, so let's first
Lovely.
try it in Hindi. सुनी राहें गुनगुनाए तेरी यादों में वो महके से नैन पुकारे Baby, I'm coming home. So ये हो गया हिंदी में.
Wow.
Now I would like to give you a flavor of West Bengal, यानी कि
Okay.
Calcutta.
Perfect.
We all
और मैं
know
साथ
that
में ना
every
व्यू भी
Hyderabadi
देती हूँ.
food.
I'll provide the view.
अरे वाह वाह वाह. So now keep Rasgullas in mind when you hear this. ওনের পথ নিয়ে চলে আমায় প্রেমে ঘেরা সেই ঠিকানায় হারানো সুর মেলনে রঙ ছড়ায় Baby, I'm coming home. Now we'll move a little south.
Okay.
Bengaluru, the land when we were young of pub hopping and fun. आधार गिना हो गुवे ಒಂಟಿಯ ಲಲ್ಲಿನ ದಣಿ ದಮಣ ಬೂಕುಣಿಯ ಲಲ್ಲಿ Baby, I'm coming home.
Wow.
To the west, Maharashtra and Mumbai.
Maharashtra. Jai Maharashtra. Anup is from Maharashtra.
Yeah. So in Marathi, साऱ्या निराशा क्लेश वेदना विसरतो मी तिथे तिच्या पंखाच्या मऊवेला आसुसला मी इथे. Little bit north to the land of Gujarat and Thepla, Dhokla, Chunda. This is how we do coming home in Gujarati.
Wow.
मन गन तन थकन विसरे दिवस मारो शमे पलक पाखे वाटरी ज्योति क्या माने तू मरे. और इन foreigners के लिए who will not understand how beautiful our country is, we'll have to sing it in English, which goes like this.
Okay. Arjun, hear carefully.
There's a place where I love to go. It's where I'm never alone. You can rest your soul when you're weary and cold.
Wow.
Baby, I'm coming home. Sunshine plays with the hair. Softly she dances alone. Her eyes shine, her touch is gold. Know her to know that you're home.
Wow.
Thank you. You know,
This is amazing. This is
Thank you
amazing.
so
This
much.
is
This is
amazing. I really hope Arjun this
favorite
now.
song.
Anup, did Arjun hear this all? Anup, can you tell me? They are in the other room. I told them not to come here. But then if Arjun is hearing and if his interest gets developed, no, my task as a parent is done, you know.
Really, बस हमें इंटरेस्ट ही डालना है म्यूजिक.
इंटरेस्ट ही डालना है.
ये नहीं डालना है कि बॉस म्यूजिशियन बनो. ये डालना है म्यूजिक में थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट लगाओ, बिकॉज it will be with you through life, through all your stress, all your tension points. You're a pilot, you're a doctor, you're an influencer. It doesn't matter. You go to music when you're sad, when you're happy, and if you can play it. I know a child who was in the 3rd grade who fought with it, and his parents told me this. You know, he's of course a bit of a child prodigy, and in the morning school के पहले वो लोग बहुत मतलब एक fight हुआ, and they were shouting at each other, and the mother, father, and the child, and he told them, "Mom, Dad, just take a minute, just chill." So they instantly क्या हुआ, you know, and he actually went to his piano. He played for 10 minutes. They could hear him down, some Mozart piece or something he played, and he came back saying, "Okay, I'm sorry they were shouting. Tell me क्या हुआ? Let's sort." This is 3rd grader. So that is the power of music. That's the power of music.
I agree.
So, you know, our endeavor is keep music close to you.
Just interested. So, is there any right age, like when to start them? Like my followers are, there are a lot of people who are mothers and fathers. So, what age should they start? You know,
okay. So,
I think interest तो develop कराना पड़ेगा ना. तो age क्या correct है उसके लिए?
Correct. So, you know, generally for guitar, we say around 8 years of age. Generally for keyboard, yeah, you can start a little earlier for keyboard at around 6, because guitar को बजाने के लिए ना, you have these strings, you have to press it, you have to get the right sound, so your fingers start hurting. तो the entry barrier is थोड़ा tough.
थोड़ा
guitar
सा.
के लिए थोड़ा सा tough है क्योंकि दुखता है यार. It's a tough thing.
Okay.
How to sit, bend over, look at your
Right.
strings, right hand, left hand are like east and west. So guitar is a slightly older age is what we say. Keyboard and drums, they can actually start. I know guys who started at 4. We normally say 6 years old is kind of correct. And but the idea is, a lot of parents say, how do I get my kids to enjoy music and have fun with music?
Right.
The basic concept is, if they are showing interest, then let them start.
Let them just start.
If a child likes a challenge and likes objectives and milestones to cross, then let them give exams. If a child likes the feeling of success and achievement and that motivates them, let them give exams. If a child gets stressed with proving themselves, then I say exam mat do. कोई मतलब ये tense stress point नहीं है कि exam देना ही है. But that's something you decide as a parent. How do you want the child to progress? But the bottom line objective is keep music with your child for as long as possible. क्योंकि आगे जाके भला
And
ही.
honestly बताइए चिंटू, मतलब now everything has gone online, but do you really think online सीख सकते हैं बच्चे अच्छे से? मतलब we'll be investing a lot of his time in it. So what is your honest opinion on this?
So my absolute honest opinion is, and I will be short for this also a little bit from the Fatado School of Music, is before online happened, I was not a fan of online. We were actually looking at getting things online in a big way, and I was one of the detractors. I said, नहीं यार boss, जो सामने आमने सामने होता है
बात होती है.
नहीं हो सकता है, and I think, and I truly thank the lockdown from this perspective. It opened my eyes because I've realized, and technology also has evolved thanks to the COVID and the lockdown, that now I've seen all the tools that you can use. And honestly batao Esha, I really feel an online class is more fun than an amne samne class right now.
Really?
Because online, and we've done this. You have a video.
Correct.
There's a video tutorial. There are things you can use. There are things as in there are boards and etc. So the child now is not just doing 1 hour of only music. He's engaged, using other online things. So वो जो focus adult को होता है, but children don't have that 110% focus. That distraction of the medium is good. It actually works in favor because they are not getting bored so fast. Then if I tell a child, now you write this notation, he'll take a mouse, trackpad say, and he'll draw the notation. Already the mind has relaxed from 100% music into a different technology. Then I'll show him a video of how to play a particular thing. He's happy. Then we do a quiz online, and we'll ask 5-6 questions online.
Right.
And galat sahi, to wo pa pee poo hota hai, so they get even happier. Then we go back to playing the guitar. So it's very engaging online.
Okay, that is really amazing then, because अभी तक मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा, to be very honest, I'll not reveal the name, मैंने 2 जगह म्यूजिक इसका स्टार्ट कराया है. somehow ना अर्जुन को या तो बहुत ही I don't know, लंदन का
boring हुआ.
They treat you like an adult. बच्चों को भी ना, they talk to them like कुछ they were treating Arjun like a very baby kind. So he said, Mama, I don't like it. So this is again, we're going to try tomorrow. And I really hope that this suits him, this Fatado School of Music guitar, although you are representing that, but then still I'll tell you, Arjun,
no, you're right. You're absolutely right.
बहुत choosy है वो. उसने मेरे collaborations cancel करा देता है. He says, मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगी. I can't do it. So I'll tell you very honestly, we are really banking and we really want him to learn. और यहाँ बैठ के the only, see, मेरे को pandemic हो या ना हो, online is the only way that Arjun can learn good music sitting in London. So being an NRI parent, I think this online medium is definitely what I'm completely banking upon. But just the right fit for Arjun, we want, and we really hope it happens soon so that he can start learning. He's like 8.5 now.
Right.
बहुत late नहीं हुआ है, but then I start.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. In fact, Esha, I started learning the guitar at the age of 17. उसके पहले I did not play. Yes, so it's not late. So वो as a parent वो stress please मत लेना.
नहीं लेंगे.
There are enough of peers, friends to give you stress on how bad a parent you are, how you are not exposing them to many things. क्या कर रहा है अभी ये क्लास में डालो वो हमने तो ये डाला वो डाला and we are like बाप रे इतना stress मत. 3 साल से शुरू हो जाता है ये क्लास में डालो वो
I swear.
and you feel like अरे बाप रे what This I can tell you as an authority.
I
Don't
love
worry.
this.
Don't worry
Wow.
at all.
Wow.
Let him just enjoy the journey. And it's important to get a good teacher. वो मतलब
Teacher
that's the
is very
difference.
important.
That's the difference. Because I had a bad maths teacher in the 5th standard. मुझे
हाँ.
80% मिलता, but वो maths teacher जो 5th standard में इतना खराब था,
मैं
10th
बिल्कुल
standard
मानती
में
हूँ.
मुझे 50 मिला मैथ में.
मैं बिल्कुल मानती हूँ. अर्जुन को कुछ मतलब ऐसे कोई कोई क्लासेस होती है जो उसको नहीं अच्छी लगती ना, then he starts resenting those topics completely.
हाँ, correct है.
I gave it enough time. I started his classes and then I gave it like 1-2 months because the teacher एक तो थी जो बच्चे की तरह ट्रीट करती थी, एक थी वो डांटती रहती थी उसको. And this guy is not used to डांट at all. यहाँ पे टीचर्स डांटते ही नहीं है मतलब बिल्कुल.
Yeah, Anup is telling you about Arjun. Arjun is saying that he's not choosy and he's
नहीं अर्जुन वैसे चूजी में गलती बोल दिया, वैसे वो बेचारा ट्राई करता रहता है, बट देन ही इज वेरी जेंटल. ही विल टेल मी मम्मा दिस वाज लाइक दिस, कैन वी ट्राई समथिंग एल्स, कैन वी लीव इट. वो मुझे समझ में आ जाता है एज अ मदर कि व्हेन ही इज नॉट जेन्युइनली लाइकिंग, बट वो बहुत पोलाइट है. ही विल नॉट से कि आई विल नॉट डू. ऐसा नहीं है.
No, you're right, Isha. You know, as parents, and Arjun, I'm glad you're hearing this, because as parents, there is a point where we know, because we've gone through this, that you hate something, but when you're pushed beyond that, you start loving it.
Yes.
Now,
yes.
do we push you to start loving it, or do we let it go? Is a tough choice, because you, I mean, perhaps as a younger learner, are not cannot understand कि आगे जाके मुझे मजा आएगा कि नहीं. So
नहीं आएगा. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Us to also understand कि थोड़ा push करो. Oh my God, now he's hitting it, बंद करो. या थोड़ा push करने के बाद he's got it, because the moment you start getting it, you start enjoying it. It's as simple as that. So we also.
So I'm really excited. So we usually, you know, हम लोग जब से यहाँ पर आए ना, every weekend is like घूमो. But for music, you know, we've blocked our Sundays and we want him to learn and we want him to start enjoying it. तो कल देखते हैं कैसा जाता है. I'm super excited. I'll keep all of you also informed.
Please keep me posted also. So my handle is Chin2B. So you can tag me also, tag the Fatado School of Music also.
Lovely.
I would love to know, and I assure you, as the Fatado School of Music, we have a team that's the academic service quality team that is constantly monitoring how can they better themselves. You know, if something is not good, how can we make that better? If a teacher is not engaging enough, how can. So at any point of time, if you feel कि it's not happening and or you know जम नहीं रहा है, you know, let them know, because it's so important to give a good experience.
Because I'll tell you, I was, you know, this all started Instagram for me. I became very serious like 3-4 months back. उससे पहले I have been the consumer. I've been looking at people's stories and trying to get Arjun enrolled. But मैं यहाँ पर I am going to honestly give the very honest, brutal feedback. Because Arjun करेगा ही नहीं class. मेरे साथ problem ये है कि Arjun को तुम force नहीं कर सकते हो. So guys, look out for my stories every Sunday. I'll give you my honest feedback. कितना सीखा, कुछ भी नहीं सीखा, enjoy कर रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. Every Sunday I'm going to share that feedback. And I'm going to tag you, Chintu.
110%.
You are the curriculum designer. So आपको हमारा feedback as a mother, as a parent भी लेना है, and then you will have to help us out.
बिल्कुल, as an educator and as a parent, I'll be more than happy to help you out.
Lovely.
Then that is really good. The more students that enjoy music, the happier I become.
Okay, so I think a follower has just joined, Sakshi. So yes, we are discussing about a music school right now. So I'll tell you, I don't want this to sound like a very advertising thing, because हम music के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, and then you know, Chintu, who's here, he is you know, the curriculum designer for Fatado School of Music. I'll share that link also after this live is done for you all to, you know, just go and visit. So we have started from tomorrow. Arjun is going to join guitar lessons from tomorrow, and maybe slowly we'll move into, you know, a little bit of vocals also. But कल से उसने नया guitar order किया है, वो यहाँ रखा हुआ है, guys. So look out for stories from tomorrow from Fatado School of Music. There'll be a teacher who will be teaching Arjun guitar lessons from tomorrow, and then let's see how it goes. For now, I've kept it once a week for my followers. This is what I'm sharing. But then you guys can also check out and see if it suits you. They have like varied. For us, we've chosen guitar, but then I think they do piano, they do vocals, right? Chintu, they do everything. They cover the entire music
spectrum, Western vocals, piano, drums भी होता है, but drums here is a little tough on an online this thing. And keyboard is also there for sure. So then it's on whatever works for you from a parent perspective or student perspective. कौन सा instrument करना चाहोगे? So it's from that perspective. I'm going to quickly just go through your chats that is happening, and Chaito Cyrillac says,
थोड़ी सी just ignore Anup की chat. He's asking my number. He's asking
हाँ वो तो मैं
you,
ignore
you
कर
look
रहा हूँ, but
nice.
somebody said Chintu, I had a crush on you बचपन में, so what good taste this person has. वाह वाह वाह.
इसलिए आप chat पढ़ रहे हो ना?
No, then there's Nikita who's saying hi, and I don't know if they're telling you hi or me hi, but I'll assume that, I mean, obviously it's such a beautiful woman in front of you, तो मुझे तो कोई hi बोलेगा नहीं. But hello to all of you. Shraddha, Anup is there, of course. Zub Khan, Mother Story,
This is really lovely. Yeah, you guys are.
Deepika. Yeah, you know, Nehal. The thing is exactly what Aisha said is, you know, she's not unnecessarily selling something because we want to be very honest here कि अगर पसंद नहीं आया है तो वो भी बोल दो सीधा मुंह पे, because the idea is to get something good that's good for everybody, right? अगर बकवास है तो बकवास है, तो हम बोल देंगे बकवास है, अगर
फीडबैक से ही इंप्रूव होगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जी.
So I think a few of the parents here are also looking for classes. So guys, I'll give you my feedback only after 2-3 weeks once I do. But then meanwhile, if you want to go and check out their website and see if it works for you, it's good. But and the whole idea here is, you know, we have to, for those who are joining now, we were just discussing, you know, with this whole situation where children are restricted to homes, they are only doing online classes. So how to fruitfully use their online time and then complement it with equal and better offline time. So the things that they learn during these lessons, they can revise during their offline time. And you know, and also a very valid point that Chintu made is that if the parents learn together along with the child, you know, that healthy competition wali feeling jo hoti hai na, usse it helps excel. And if you know, if you are somebody like Anup who's already posing on his private Instagram page, posing with a guitar, वो पहले ही फोटो खींच के डाल चुका है, तो if you are like that, बचपन की ख्वाहिश थी, कोई सपने थे to learn music, now is the time to pursue your passion, guys, because it's never late, as Chintu says. There is no minimum or maximum age. Even my parents, you know, my father who's now I can't call him retired because he's still doing so much. But then even now, you know, he's finding time to explore his love for music. He attends all these. उनका अपना एक gang है जहाँ पे ये सब मुंबई में you know, the sessions happen. He keeps listening to that lovely music. So music, I think, is a very important integral part of all our lives. And now is the time for all of us to get into the depths of it. So,
in fact,
I'm going to share a story. Sorry, Chintu, one more thing. So you were asking for the tag where you can find these classes. So just after this live session, I'm going to share a couple of stories which will give you the whole idea. I'll also tell you what Arjun has enrolled into, and then I'll keep you informed. Lovely. क्यों ना एक गाना हो जाए, we 11:30 हो गए. I'm keeping a watch on time because I don't want to use too much of your time.
Oh no,
एक गाना हो जाए.
We will end with this song because it's so beautiful to hear people who put family as a priority. I mean, we all do, we all want to, but हम करते नहीं हैं because life takes over, work takes over, travel takes over. You know, you just gotta put family as priority, guys, because time just flies. Time just flies. Children grow up. You grow old. You start having health issues. You know, go out there, spend time, take your vacation. You took a vacation very recently, Aisha, which is why we had such a big gap. Just superb. I went camping after that with my family and stuff like that. You know, so just do that because life is beautiful and it gets even more beautiful when you spend it with those you love. All right, so this is a song that I had written when my wife was pregnant with our first child, and this song is called "Grow Old with Me." I'll give you a jhalak, and I dedicate this to the soon-to-be influencer, your husband. Yeah, you. I don't know who will I dedicate it, but this is how it goes. This is what I wrote for my wife. If I said I love watching TV. But if I said you get to keep the remote control, and if I said life is not about the money, would you still grow old with me?
Wow.
If I said, now as a woman, you'll appreciate all these lyrics, huh?
I absolutely relate and appreciate these things.
I will ask for direction every time I am lost and pretend not to be. But if I said I don't know where life leads me, would you still grow old with me? तेरी प्यारी हंसी से रोशनी भी खिल सी जाए, दो दिल अब गुनगुनाए, na 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 na, and we'll grow old and toothless together. और फिर जब दोस्तों के नाम याद आए ना, ना छोड़ो साथ थाम लेंगे हाथ, बुरे हो दिन या सुनी रात, as long as they're together बनेगी बात. Just save your last dance for me.
Wow.
जी ले ये लम्हा पल दो पल यही. Would you spend another lifetime growing old with me?
Yes. For Anup.
The added advantage of music is पट जाता है.
मैं सच में एक लास्ट बात बताऊंगी. मैंने एक बहुत ही सिली सा जोक मारा अर्जुन के सामने the other day. This guy, you know, he was not interested. He's into Lego and वो बना रहा है, ये कर रहा है. मैंने यार अर्जुन तुझे सब आ गया, really appreciate. बट यार थोड़ा डांस और सिंगिंग सीख ले, क्योंकि कल को तू पार्टी में जाएगा, लड़कियां लड़के डांस करेंगे तो कल लेगो बनाएंगे वहां पे. All this conversation. मैं यार थोड़ा गाना और डांस सीख ले यार, कल को लड़की पटाए वगैरह वर्ड्स नहीं यूज किए, बट क्या पार्टी में जाके लेगो बना रहा है मेरा बेटा और बस वो कर रहा है, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाई कर रहा है. मैंने यार बोर मत बन. Met in college and we had a blast. So we are very sincere. Like this is just a side thing for me. We both have our corporate full-time jobs.
Right.
Okay, this is for fun. But then fun is very important.
It is correct. You know, I tell you, because music is all about, it's not just about learning music. Music is about personality development.
Personality development.
So many introverts.
That glow आती है, पता है फेस पे, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that एक musician को देख के जो feeling आती है ना अनूप, और मैं तो खैर deeply madly in love है with music, but then we couldn't ever learn it. But then for Arjun तो मैंने उसको indirectly समझाया. मैंने कहा बेटे मत करो ये गलती, सिर्फ पढ़ाई में या सिर्फ इस सब में मत लगे रहो. पार्टी की जान वही होते हैं जो थोड़ा बहुत म्यूजिक बजाते हैं,
थोड़ा डांस प्रॉब्लम करता है वो जान नहीं होता है, जो गाता है वो हो जाता है.
सॉरी,
आई थिंक जो मैथ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है वो जान नहीं होता है पार्टी का.
बिल्कुल नहीं, बोरिंग. मैं ना बहुत पढ़ाकू थी तो मेरे को पता है यार. मैं उसको बोलती हूँ यार तू बैलेंस रख, कोई फर्क, पढ़ाई कर, पढ़ाई इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी.
ऑफ कोर्स ठीक
है, बट हर टाइम ऐसे यही सब मत कर यार. जस्ट बी अ पार्टी पर्सन.
Sorry, I'm interrupting you, but it's I had done a school band with these kids.
Achha.
And I made 3 of the girls, I think they were 3rd graders or 4th graders, they came up on stage and sang. And the parents of that class, that time my daughter was in the 2nd grade, I think. And the parents of that class came to me and said, I didn't know these girls existed in that class because they were always silent. You know, they were silent. They were always sitting in the corner. They never spoke to anybody. But they said they were so big. I made them rock on stage. मतलब मैंने बोला तू खड़ा रहेगी स्टेज पे और गाएगी ऐसे तो वो एक थप्पड़ मारूंगा. Because I talk to my students like that. So they were like, no sir. I said, you will jump, you will clap hands, you will make your audience jump.
Wow.
And they did that. And this other mother came and said, my God, I didn't know these girls existed. And look at them.
Imagine.
They were regaling an audience of 500 people.
Imagine.
That's what music can do. Yeah.
That is what music can do. I hope Arjun ने सुना ये, and then you know बड़ा shy सा है. He's very good in whatever he does, but then this point, at least as a parent, you know, I want him to be an all-rounder.
तो
ये बहुत important है.
प्लीज पॉज मत करना, वो करेगा अपने आप. बस
फोर्स वाला बच्चा ही नहीं है.
Just give the love for the art and leave it, because हो जाएगा.
मैं ना ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं होंगी. मैं what I do is I leave it up to you and your faculty, your teachers. I will leave it up to you. तुम लोग गुरु बन जाओ उसके. Just be his guru and you know lead him on his path, and we'll be thankful to you all.
Done. इसलिए तो है, इसलिए तो पूरा.
इसलिए तो in fact you know मैं लास्ट बात में बहुत बोलती हूँ, but मैं एक लास्ट बात बताती हूँ. मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले ये रील डाली थी. कि जिस चीज में मैं एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ ना, मैंने एक वीडियो डाली थी, मैं नहीं करती वो आई आउटसोर्स। तो इसको भी मैं आउटसोर्स करती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं गड़बड़ करूँ उससे अच्छा है कि आई आउटसोर्स दिस टू द एक्सपर्ट, है ना?
I'll tell you a secret.
हाँ।
I can't teach my children music. I outsource it because they don't listen to me. नहीं सुनता
I'm
है।
sure.
पेरेंट का तो कभी सुनता नहीं है। टीचर राइट होगा, मैं अगर मैं बोलूंगा ये बजाओ, ऐसे बजाओ, ये डैड कम ऑन या प्लीज
हाँ.
यू डोंट I'm like I'll teach the word, but my guru, मेरा जो गुरु बेटे है ना, आई से बॉस तुम लोग सीखो, किसी और से सीखो, मैं
हाँ.
पूरा दुनिया को सिखाऊंगा, तुम लोगों जो ज्ञानी है ना,
सही.
मैं नहीं सिखा सकता।
तो मैं भी यही करूंगी, मैं ज्यादा उसको कुछ वो नहीं करूंगी। अब आई जस्ट इनिशिएटेड द क्लासेस फॉर हिम, लेट्स सी गॉड, आई मीन लेट्स सी हाउ योर टीचर्स कन्विंस हिम एंड मेक हिम लर्न एंड हाउ दिस गोज नाउ। आई
And
कीप
you
यू
give us the
अपडेटेड
feedback.
पर्सनली।
Yes, I'm this very short sell of me. I'm Chintu Bhosle. My handle is Chintu B. So if you guys want to reach out, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to the Fataro School of Music. You can reach out to Aisha also and hassle her. And she'll give you very relevant, live and correct feedback also on how.
Yes, that I will. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Okay,
much for
ji,
taking
lovely
out time
talking
to
to
this.
you.
It was lovely.
It was. And maybe the next time I'm in London, I'll reach out. And of course, ये सब होने के बाद, सब वैक्सीन हो चुका है. But पता नहीं, there'll be a Z variant, there'll be an XYZ variant by then, God knows. जब हम आएंगे, हम मिलेंगे और हम म्यूजिक करेंगे, लाइव में साथ करेंगे.
My, that will be like अनूप का तो ड्रीम है, you know, to have a live jamming से, मतलब jamming
So
तो नहीं
the
कर सकते, but that live
motivation is to learn quickly ताकि हम सब जैम कर सके.
जैम कर सके. मैं क्या करूंगी? मैं पता नहीं क्या करूं, मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगी आप सबकी.
बोलते हैं ना, जब म्यूजिशियन सब, अगर सब लोग म्यूजिशियन होते तो ऑडियंस में कौन होता?
ऑडियंस कौन होता? मैं तालियां बजाऊंगी. Good. Thank you so much, Into. I hope everyone who joined, कोई join कर रहा है, कोई जा रहा है, आ रहा है. I know सबका time है.
Vipul said, big fan of Band Boys. Hi Vipul, thank you so much for being with us. Sakshi says, please tag Isha, most needed. Deepika says, ha. And yes, बाकी तो सारे अनूप सर के लिए आ रहे हैं, तो
ये लाइमलाइट ले लेता है मेरी सारी, कोई बात नहीं.
चलो, thank you so much. Lovely being here. See you guys. See you on my handle also. And Isha,
Yes.
we will meet when in London or when you're in Bombay. Done. Practice.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.